Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SolanaBaby token. Name of the token is SolanaBaby. Ticker symbol is SolanaBaby, all one word. Now this is a new meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain, and it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. I was just looking at their BSC scan. It says 2 holders, so they're not even available on PancakeSwap. And it's kind of ironic that this is, I guess not ironic, but it's kind of strange that this is a SolanaBaby token on the Binance Smart Chain and not on the Solana blockchain. But anyway, we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a brand new token. And their Telegram, you can follow that to join the conversation about this token. There is not a ton of information on this token. This is very much a brand new meme token, and meme tokens don't have a lot of utility. Sometimes they have just big stories for no reason, and then sometimes they just have a little information. So this doesn't have a ton of information, so we're probably going to go over everything that it says here. So their Telegram is at the SolanaBaby. And they have 2,752 Telegram members so far, and 114 of them are online. So that's a great place to join the conversation regarding this token here. Their Twitter is at the SolanaBaby as well. And as you can see, there's a link to their Telegram on the Twitter right here on the screen. And then there's a link to their webpage, SolanaBaby.com. Both their socials are doing pretty well. Their Twitter also has 10,000 followers on it. They have 85 tweets. So it says, Solana's Little Explorer. Born on Solana, we're not just a token, we're a community exploring the blockchain frontier. And again, it's strange, it says born on Solana, and it's a Binance Smart Chain token. Now, according to their BSC scan, there is a max total supply. There's a lot of tokens here, so that's a million, billion, trillion. It looks like 1 quintillion tokens. It's a lot of tokens. 18 decimal places on this token, and it says only 2 holders. So like I said, it's not even available on PancakeSwap or basically anywhere yet. And it was just announced on Twitter here that it says a meme coin on the BNB smart chain, the SolanaBaby, is coming to MEXC Global January 17th at 14 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol, which is SolanaBaby, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says, please note, SolanaBaby is a meme coin and not correlated to actual Solana. I could have guessed that. It says, please be careful and make a decision based on your risk tolerance. So that's a little blurb from MEXC Global. Now, you can get involved with their Kickstarter event where you could win 50,000 USDT in airdrops, and they always have Kickstarter events for these projects. And you vote with MX tokens, which is their token, and you can find the information on that on MEXC Global's Twitter at MEXC_official. Now their webpage, SolanaBaby.com, has tokenomics, about us, team info, and community section. It says, this is the new meme. SolanaBaby is a crypto meme project that makes serious things seem a little more fun, and complex terms and concepts accessible and interesting to everyone. We invite you on this exciting and fun dive into the world of cryptocurrencies with SolanaBaby. So how the token is split up here, so it's a Binance Smart Chain, 1 quintillion tokens, and it has 35% of those going to marketing, 10% going to advisors, 8% going to rewards, 12% going to development, 15% team, and 20% central exchange listings like MEXC Global. Now I do see a discrepancy here on their webpage. It says there's a total supply of 610 billion tokens, but then when you go to their BSC scan, it says 1 quintillion. So there's an error there. I don't know what's going on there, but then they have some team information. So their team members aren't doxed, but they do have full names and job titles. So Darren Warren, and then this Greg guy, and so they Kevin Rose, the SEO. For some reason, there's 2 SEOs, but yeah. Then it just says join the community, and then it has information about the Twitter, Telegram chat. So their webpage, little to no information. So the best place to find information regarding this token is in the 85 tweets on their Twitter here. So they basically have tons of memes, of course, pop up here. So and then they also give tips. So it's like Tuesday tip. Stay informed, stay inspired, whether it's news, market trends, project updates, blah, blah, blah. So they give like tips and stuff on here. And then there's new announcements and stuff like that. And tip of the day. But yeah, it seems like they have more information basically on their Twitter than they actually do on their webpage. So again, I don't know why they call it SolanaBaby, because it says, again, exciting times in the Solana ecosystem. SolanaBaby coin, the newest meme coin, making waves, fast transactions, low fees, and community-driven vibes. Join the SolanaBaby hype train. But maybe they are going to go cross-chain in the future. That could be it, and they're just starting with Binance Smart Chain. But I don't know why it's a Binance Smart Chain token and they're promoting Solana so much. Because that's all they talk about on their Twitter as I'm scrolling through is Solana, 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 and it makes little to no sense. But, okay. Well, this token's getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on MEXC Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.